appreciate the help that UL Solutions provides and the technical expertise they provide. I've been working with UL Solutions over 30 years, pretty much my entire career. I'm a licensed fire protection engineer, and I've been in the fire protection engineering field my entire career. One of the biggest challenges that we have is getting our products to the market. UL Solutions engineering team and sales team has always been dedicated, trustworthy, and has helped us engage into the marketplace through both the certification side, but also other sides of the market, including codes and regulations and standards development. UL Solutions helped us recently. There was a code change proposal that allowed tall wood buildings. So previously, wood buildings could only be built to a certain height, but with these code changes, they allowed mass wood timbers built to heights up to and including 18 stories. For these types of assemblies, there was no path for certification for penetrations or joints through these types of mass wood timber assemblies. So we worked with UL Solutions, we worked with the engineering team to develop this path for certification, which actually helped the entire industry and helped the fire stopping community as well.